name of the Son of God in Greek is Iesus. An accusation made is that this name is a compound word that means "Hail Zeus." The sad reality is that perhaps due to the Zeus sound, people believe such a claim. There is no similarity in appearance with the Greek words translated as Hail, Zeus, or Jesus. Consider the Greek name Zeus, made up of 4 Greek letters. There's also the Greek name Iesus. There are 4 Greek letters that make the Zeus sound in Iesus. Notice that only 2 of the 4 letters match the letters in Zeus. The Greek word translated as hail in the Greek scriptures also has no match to anything in the name Iesus. This is not even a matter of transliteration, as both of these names are in Greek. An example of a true compound name is shown with the Hebrew name Melchizedek. Hebrews chapter 7 verse 2 reads, "The name Melchizedek means king of righteousness." Here is the word Melchizedek. Here is the word king. Here is the word righteousness. So when you put king followed by righteousness, you end up with Melchizedek. The question then becomes, where did the word translated as Jesus come from if it is unconnected from the words Hail or Zeus? First of all, what was the name that Mary called her son? 2 of the times Iesus appears in the Greek scriptures, it refers to Joshua, son of Nun. One of these times it reads, "For if Joshua had given them rest, God would not have spoken later about another day." Joshua's name in Hebrew is pronounced Yehoshua. Then Moses would return to the camp, but his young aide Joshua, son of Nun, did not leave the tent. You may be wondering why people refer to the Savior as Yeshua instead of Yehoshua. Joshua's name in Hebrew was also pronounced as Yeshua. From the days of Joshua, son of Nun, until that day, the Israelites had not celebrated it like this. The name Yeshua began being used after 517 BC. The Hebrew letters in both Yehoshua and Yeshua do not all have parallels in Greek. Only 2 out of 5 letters have parallels. Because of this, it is very difficult to transliterate the name into Greek. For the person who believes Iesus means Hail Zeus, I would like to know how they would transliterate the Savior's name into Greek. There are certain rules in transliterating names into Greek that I am ignorant of. I have included an explanation in the description for your consideration. The fact is that hundreds of years before Yeshua was born, the Septuagint translated both Yehoshua and Yeshua as Iesus. To reject Iesus as the name of the Savior is to reject that God breathed His words on all of the Greek manuscripts where that name appears. Nevertheless, the point of this video is to show that according to linguistics, there is no evidence that Iesus means Hail Zeus.